Hi everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your eHarmony account. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search eHarmony.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on eHarmony's website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. There you'll see the option of data and settings. Tap on it. After you tap on it, scroll down and under profile visibility, there you'll see to delete your profile permanently, please click here. Tap on here in order to access the link. If you're sure you want to delete your account, enter your password and then tap on delete profile. Now all your matches, contacts and other data will be deleted. This way you can delete your eHarmony account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.